What's going on, guys? We're going to take a look at Tesla and talk about the potential that we could be looking at lower prices coming very, very soon. Now, again, Tesla's been kind of consolidating a little bit of a leg down, consolidating a little bit of a leg down, consolidating a little bit of a leg down. Now, this is a second day trading below the 50-day moving average, which is very, very significant when it comes to short-term kind of momentum, who's in control of the stock. And right now, until Tesla can kind of reclaim that 50-day moving average, which is sitting at a price of around 255, I'd actually like to see Tesla reclaim all short-term levels of supply here, which is going to be over 258. That's the 10-day moving average. Now, what I would be looking for in that particular situation is for Tesla to close over 258.30s, and then I'm going to look for the following day to kind of confirm to go long. And from there, we've got room into the 20-day moving average, which is your next level of supply, sitting in the 260s. So definitely keep that in mind. But as long as Tesla still stays below 253, 255, definitely this downwards move potential is huge. So look at yesterday's low, 243, 242.89. That's still going to be the short level. If you want to jump in early entry, again, a little bit more risk, but 245 is going to be that level. So 245 to the downside, you can definitely play into 243, take some profits, hold a runner. As long as we kind of stay below that, declining 5-day moving average, it looks good. But again, we are coming off of a lot of selling. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We're looking at 3 trading weeks where essentially we're just kind of drifting lower. Now, this last floor that we gave up here, the 50-day moving average, that last floor is kind of signs for another leg down. If the bulls do not start to reclaim short-term supply very, very quickly. Now, I think we could be 1 or 2 days away from this 243 breakdown. Again, our potential would be looking at 230s on Tesla. That's going to be the 100-day EMA. So definitely keep that on watch. Again, 243. And again, we need to get over the 5 and 10-day moving average. So that 258.34s, and in order for us to really get back up to where Tesla's going to start testing these recent highs from from the last month or 2 months here, the 290s, we got to get over the 20-day moving average, and nothing can even get remotely started until Tesla starts recovering 267, 268. I hope this kind of helps you guys from a technical analysis standpoint. If you guys want more technical analysis and watch lists and stocks and levels you guys should be looking at, maybe you guys want to get access to the strategy, join evolutiontraders.com. You're going to get access to the 2 video courses, the chat room, the watch list, the one-on-one coaching, so forth and so forth. I'll see you guys on the inside.